You want Mom to take it?
Do I need to push the stroller now? Hi, Vic! He's like, go! Let's move! You're doing really good, bud. You're doing really good. Keep going. You're doing awesome, Dad. Yoo-hoo. Woohoo. We are going kayaking. Don't throw that! Oh!
Mom, you're right.
We are waiting on Dad to get his wallet, but see the kayaks up there on top of the car.
Ah, don't look at
And
me.
it is cold outside. Jace, are you excited to go kayaking? Blah. I got this waterproof bag for my camera, so I'm excited to use it. The paddle for me.
Turn the pad with the okay?
Okay. Careful. Don't drop it in the water. I have to go for a little swim.
Oh, what?
Don't knock my phone in the water. What you doing, boo? Can I help you? He woke up from his nap a little early, so he's kind of grumpy. Woohoo! Oh, thank you. It's sunny today. We love the sun, huh? Get it! Get it! Good girl! Did you get a piece of ice? Bye-bye, Daddy! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye! Look at that cool ice.
Here we are on Bear Lake.
Pretty.
It's snowing out here.
That is cold.
We're out on the ice.
We're just hoping we don't fall through. Did you hear that? Scared me.
Ice is breaking out there.
We're just waiting for the Bear Lake monster to come up.
Ready?
Yep. Whoa! Whoa! Wasn't prepared for that. Hey, Bubby. You playing Roomy Cube? Looks like you're winning.
Look all over and find it. I was going to be right at it.
Look what Daddy
They are, but I mean...
But they'll still work.
Jace was never like this
Better
with
than
Jace.
mine.
This blows my mind how good he is with like. Jace was always like, meh. Oh yeah, you tell me all about it.
What do you think? What?
This is so cute.
It's a pretty baby though.
Were you videoing that whole time? I'm so obnoxious.
No, you're not. Hi.
Pick
it back.
Okay, there you go.
Oh.
There you go. Oh,
What are you doing?
he's like, oh, did you bonk your head? Yeah, he got right into it. Oh, that was fun.
You have to find a little gold.
That was so fun.
You were so cute. Look at you. You want to take the camera?
Weekend. Here comes the storm. Ah!
Copy all your ideas. Are you videoing?
Maybe. You can come out here. No, no. No, no. Nope. Don't you do that.
Okay, you ready?
No! Don't take a picture of me! No! Don't take a picture of
Show
me!
me your monies. Where's your money?
Move
Don't
over.
take a picture to me.
Okay.
Hey guys, who wants to come in a super comfy chair?
Me, I do.
Oh,
Ooh, that is a super comfy chair.